The top stories. Take up Prabhis Chanam's case in Assembly by February 28 or face total shutdown, JAC warns government. Chief Minister Biren attends 412 complaints on Miam Ginumit Hill Leaders Day. Imphal More Highway turned into lucrative road for drug traffickers. Lamjingba Group to launch air service in February 2020. And 25 abandoned children found sheltering at legal aid clinic at Nongbrum near Mapit Hill Dam. Good evening and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is Suraj Tabam giving you the news. Now the news in detail. The JAC against the brutal killing of Pravish Chanam today threatened to call a 24-hour Manipur total shutdown in case the state government does not take a concrete decision on Pravish Chanam's death by February 28 in the ongoing State Assembly session. There was public outrage in Manipur over the mysterious death of Pravish Chanam. Pravish Chanam, 22 years, son of Chanam Jugindro Singh of Uripok Achomlekai, Imphal West District, was found dead at Greater Noida, Uttar Pradesh on 9th of September 2017. If the Assembly fails to take a concrete decision on the death of Pravish Chanam by February 28, a 24-hour statewide total shutdown will be imposed from midnight of March 1st. JAC convener Laimyum Pisu Sharma announced during a press meet at Manipur Press Club. Several leaders of different women leaders were present during the press meet. The JAC is unhappy that the Manipur government has not yet taken any appropriate steps over the death of Pravish till date. Though talks were held between representatives of the JAC and Chief Minister N. Biren Singh over the matter on several occasions, nothing concrete action has been initiated by the government so far. According to JAC leader Pisu, he called upon the government to take up the case of Pravish in the House now in session and initiate proper action.
Maski tarik ama hinungai bawa Manipur sudal koi laptop cari karigumba sida yakagadi adude henba koi ima sing degi Manipur lebi ima event sing CSO organization student sing yang pulaga kai tahu ya bagi have zoom makata nam koi khana gani.
Nupi Samaj leader Ramani expressed dismay over the alleged mute maintained by the government over the death of Pravish Chanam. She appealed that the matter should be brought up in the Assembly for discussion.
Assembly passed out the Miam the Lopio. I don't know the Makata, but the Sanction of here. Miam Panama Gadi. Aduga. Emily Huje, Machina Canada, Mimo, half of Poga, you are the charge for one of the Dali, you can know. Michi tell us to Mahalo, to us who charge with Dali, you can know. A 2 Madame, Mati, who put up Padana Canada, Assembly, Padana passed out the Roy.
The joint Miam Ginumit and Hill Leaders Day was held at the Darbar Hall of Chief Minister's Secretariat today. A large number of people bought from hills and valley districts met the Chief Minister N. Biren and put up their grievances. The Chief Minister personally attended to around 412 complaints and met nearly 1,200 people from 8:30 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. Principal Secretary Health of and Nodal Officer of Miam Ginumit Vunlunmang Walnam, Commissioner Planning and OSD to Chief Minister Suman Singh, Secretary to Chief Minister N. Jeffrey, DIG Admin I.K. Muiva and other senior government officials were present to assist the Chief Minister in assessing people's complaints. Officials from other departments like Health, Minority, other backward classes and scheduled caste, Social Welfare, Education S, Manipur State Cooperative Bank Limited and Police were also present to resolve people's grievances instantly. Many differently able persons, widows and people belonging to poor families were enrolled under government's noble scheme like Chief Minister Gi Haksel Gi Tengbang CMHD and Chief Minister Gi Sotharaba Singh Gi Tengbang CMSD. Many educated and skilled youths were identified to provide soft loans from different banks during the Miyam Ginumit and Hill Leaders Day. The key Imphal More Highway has been literally turned into a lucrative road by drug traffickers, even as the Assam Rifles and the state police make an all-out effort to stop the long practice. Drug peddlers are at the same time using all available means to carry on with their business. Heroin, brown sugar and other contraband items worth around rupees 42 crore were seized by Assam Rifles at Kudeng Thabi post along the highway during the period between early January and February 22nd. According to Assam Rifles, the Ministry of Home Affairs has approved for installation of a last X-ray machine at Kudeng Thabi soon to help tackle the menace. Lamjingba Group is going to launch air service in February 2020. The group is in collaboration with Pawansat Aviation Private Limited signed an agreement with Sukhoi company to purchase 10 aircrafts from the company. Its aircraft has the capacity to carry 100 passengers at a time. The agreement was signed in the biennial Aero India meet held under the Ministry of Defence in Bengaluru. Talking to Tom TV News on the sideline of the Aero India Meet 2019, Chairman of Lamjingba Group J.K. Mangang said, introducing the air service has been an old dream of Lamjingba Group. The group earlier had plans to launch charter flight service. However, due to non-feasibility of the service, the plan was dropped.
Moigi aircraft khara akoiga mutual agreement amagi makhada akoina aircraft khara lowbagi adugumba understanding amada akoi ngasi yam the progressive oiba mong the discussion lainagi aduga akoi athu matamda haidi Russia da chatuna akoi aircraft asibu lowna bagi damakta haidi sign tawnangai gi damakta akoi the moigi site gi present invitation amasu piramme haitar aduga akoigi Emperor na aircraft company amakaka moigi oinadi akoi ngasai gi already hedi sign tawnagre akoi aircraft khara lowna ngai gi damakta ado haivsini mamang da su akoi sahi amagi mamang da akoi lamjingba gi oiba charter airline service oina tawne na toromba tu charter gi oiba business ki scope asi yam nemba amadi ngasai gi feasible oiba economy da exist tawba yaba adu level amda chatpa kuina long term planning oina tawba yaroi da feasible oiro da business oibadagi akoina haidi normal 100 seater gi aircraft sido oina target tawbani adudana hanagi akoina lamjingba group ki makada laigiba koi airline service amaka akoi ramdam sida base tawba pur kena khangiba duki continuation work progress oina akoina anoba aircraft sing asi lowbagi pandamni haitar koi aigi manaba haidi partner ki magi mainly mainland India gi di mana paibane aduduna ibani gi haidi tanabagi mathuina haidi yam kanna honarisi government sigi oiba khoi ngasagi lok sabha gi election sina maram moraga kitang di tender adubu election je hek loiboga akoi next year gi di 2020 gi February bo ki manung da di akoi honangai gi tamakta target tori haitar.
On the other hand, Director of Pawansat Aviation Private Limited Kumar Kingsu said, even as the set target of launching the air service is February 2020, the collaboration will make efforts to launch this service by the end of this year. It will not only make efforts to give a new test to the people of the Northeast region, but also try to make direct flights to metro cities available.
We have met two manufacturers, aircraft manufacturers, Embraer and Sukhoi. We are looking for a long-term partnership with them. We will use both aircraft, as we have already signed a deal with Embraer. The deal has already been signed, and the first aircraft is coming for a show on 20th of March in Delhi and 19th in Mumbai. So we will be there to welcome the aircraft. The first aircraft is coming. That's we have signed on. And so with Sukhoi we are looking into it, because 21 aircrafts we are getting from Mexico. So they are negotiating it hard how to support it, because if we get the aircraft, the main important is to get the support, service, maintenance, pilots, everything. So Sukhoi will directly come into a picture, and they will support and they will help into making all those things, arranging all those things. So we are looking on, things are in the development process. Everything is going very nicely. Things are taking time, but for sure, people will see a very good airline, very established, very good and fantastic airline with the service and the quality.
Aero India 2019 is a good sign for the state of Manipur, because Lamjingba Group has signed memorandum of understanding between two other companies about the aircraft. Lamjingba Group is planning to launch aircraft service from the February of 2020. How far the Lamjingba Group can develop in the field of air service, we have to wait and see. With camera person Devadarsan Sharma, this is Zit Ningomba, Times of Manipur, Yalankana Air Force Base, Bangalore.
A joint team of Child Welfare Committee, District Child Protection Unit, Childline Imphal and Imphal East Jilla Parishad today visited the Nongbram village near Mapithil Dam in Imphal East District to assess the situation of 25 children reportedly sheltered at the premises of Legal Aid Clinic in the village due to the construction of Mapithil Dam. The inhabitants of the Nongbram village, who used to earn their livelihood solely by quarrying sand from the Thobal River, have been deprived of their income, thereby forcing them to go elsewhere in search of odd jobs. Initially, the adult inhabitants used to go out from dawn and return to their families in late evening, leaving their children to their own fate. However, as the work became scarce day by day, male adults were compelled to leave their families while the females were left to fend for themselves with their children. It is reported that some of the parents even left their children over a year ago. Altogether, 25 children of such families are now taking shelter at the Office of Legal Aid Clinic with assistance provided by a member of the Socialist Students of Manipur and also members of Manipur People Proletariat Democratic Union. The children are now sent to Kumuching Junior High School under the supervision of the Legal Aid Clinic. After learning about the situation in the village, the joint team today visited the village and met the children. Jilla Parishad members, Child Welfare Committee members, Childline activists, officials of District Child Protection Unit, Pradhan of village and other social workers of the area accompanied in the assessment visit. Talking to media persons on the sideline of the visit, Jilla Parishad member of the district, Seram Neken, said that there is dire need of establishing a children's home in the area for such deprived children at the earliest. The Kumuching Junior High School, which is located in the adjacent area under Kangpokpi district, also needs to be upgraded to a boarding school by the state government so that deprived children may get proper education as well as shelter. An economic package to sustain the Mapithil Dam affected families may be proposed from the state government, and he also assured possible help in rehabilitating the children and their families. According to Irengbam Bikramjit Singh, chairperson of the Child Welfare Committee, the immediate requirement for relief of the 25 children is to identify their needs and provide shelter at the government-run children homes. He sought the help of the Childline Imphal and the District Child Protection Unit in order to avail of immediate relief and rehabilitation for the welfare of the deprived children.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯝꯗꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯄꯤꯊꯦꯜ ꯗꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯦꯐꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯕꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯇꯨꯡꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯕ ꯁꯦꯝꯕꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯕ ꯃꯊꯧ ꯇꯥꯏ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯖꯤꯂꯥ ꯄꯔꯤꯁꯗꯀꯤ ꯏꯝꯐꯥꯜ ꯏꯁꯀꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯒꯗꯧꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯃꯨꯟꯅ ꯈꯟꯅꯖꯔꯒ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯕ ꯌꯥꯕꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯆꯪꯍꯟꯖꯔꯛꯀꯦꯅ ꯊꯝꯖꯩ
ꯂꯥꯛꯆꯔꯤꯁꯤ ꯉꯔꯥꯡ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯗꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯛ ꯂꯤꯒꯦꯜ ꯁꯔꯚꯤꯁꯦꯁ ꯑꯣꯊꯣꯔꯤꯇꯤ ꯏꯝꯐꯥꯜ ꯏꯁꯀꯤ ꯁꯦꯀ꯭ꯔꯦꯇꯔꯤꯅ ꯄꯥꯎ ꯑꯃ ꯉꯔꯥꯡꯁꯤ ꯄꯤꯔꯛꯄꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯤ ꯄꯥꯎ ꯐꯪꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯉꯥꯡ 15 ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯤꯒꯦꯜ ꯑꯦꯗ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯤꯅꯤꯛ ꯅꯣꯡꯕ꯭ꯔꯪꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯟꯗꯦꯗ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯃꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯖꯒꯥꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯦꯜꯇꯔ ꯂꯧꯔꯒ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯄꯥꯎꯁꯤ ꯄꯤꯔꯛꯄꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯐꯪꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯊꯨꯅ ꯉꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯁꯤ ꯌꯧꯗꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯗ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯀꯟꯗꯤꯁꯟꯗ ꯂꯩꯕꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯦꯁꯦꯁꯃꯦꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯇꯧꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯤꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯄꯨꯠꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯌꯦꯡꯖꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯦꯔꯦꯟꯠꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯃꯣꯏꯒ ꯇꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯥꯞꯇꯣꯛꯅꯤꯡꯗꯕ ꯊꯥꯞꯅ ꯊꯝꯅꯤꯡꯗꯕ ꯍꯣꯝꯅ ꯊꯝꯅꯤꯡꯗꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯅꯨꯡꯅꯥꯡꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯁꯨ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯖꯔꯦ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯏꯁꯨ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ
Well, it's time now for a short break.
Think of home, and you think of all beautiful things you had seen. Things you admired, things you desired, some that you envy, and some you fancy, but hardly anything that is so beautifully you. A home that lives only in your imagination, a home you can truly call beautifully yours. Yumkai, beautiful home inside out. Complete design solution for home and office.
Furniture industry da chahi tara manga hen experience leiraba Mobile Furniture ngasi Manipur da chahi mari mapung fana retail stores ani na miyam gi seva pijari. Miyam service vertical sing asigi khudong chaw lobby. Ngasi lengchin biroksi Mobile Furniture Coapitel near Infal Quarters.
Panthoibi embroidery da hauzik miyam na yam na pamna riba top, blouse, fanek, sengau, porloy amadi kangkhal na chingba, luhong bada changba khudingmak amadi nupi oibi singi akemaugi potlam khudingmak ahongba mamal da fangbiragani. Loinana order su luxury. Lengsin biro ngasimak Panthoibi embroidery Sagolban Khamnam Bazar opposite Oriental College Imphal. Contact number 700-540-2267.
The Great Wedding Sale by Mobile Furniture.
Spray oil, agarwood amadi, tang na phangma machal kaya na semba adugumlaba iramdang asida puthokchaba Rehal Perfume, Aryan Store, Dove, Lico Store, Jason amadi Ningthousam Enterprises ta phangbiragani. Aikhoi head office Hatami Nuthong near Symmetry Road.
Welcome back after the break. At least 100 members of the Roadside Vendors Welfare Association Manipur are going to take part in the Delhi March, which is going to be taken out at 1 p.m. on February 23rd. The All India Trade Union Congress Manipur today organizes sending off program for the participating roadside vendors at Iravad Bhavan in Imphal. President of ITUC Manipur, Dr. M. Nara, General Secretary L. Sotin Kumar, General Secretary of Manipur Kaithel Nupi Marup L. Mema, Patron Member of All Manipur Nupi Marup T.H. Bhanu and many other eminent persons attended this sending off program. Addressing the gathering, President of ITUC, Dr. M. Nara said the main objective of organizing the hawkers and vendors mass in Delhi is to urge the centre to implement Street Vendors Act 1938, Town Vending Committee withdrawal of CAB 2016, the recent statement given by the National BJP President Amit Shah that if the BJP sustains in power, the party will implement CAB 2016, clearly shows its negligence towards the people of the northeastern states.
Street vendor, Sini kaya pagchamaro ay ngasi paghalo kadoribani madugi lamthabagi program amani ngasi lamthabagi program sunu yawjaba madugi noi to pongok cheris ay struggling kaya togi manunda Bharat ki state sinna Manipur city yang militant doiba praja itu hendonga nupi singi nombakan bamasum thingna to ki dabase masimadi Bharat sin thuna sak khangbiraba Manipur imai sinni.
As part of this sending off program, the ITUC presented simple gift to the women vendors who were hurt in police action during the recent protests against CAB. One-day seminar on forest, wildlife and ecosystem challenges for a common future organized by the Tribal Knowledge Foundation TKF was held at the multipurpose hall near the mini secretariat of DC office in Senapati district today. Many resource persons and students from 6 schools around Senapati district headquarters attended the seminar. Speaking at the inaugural session of the seminar, Director of HRD ENEC Shillong KA's Shile Anthony said forest and wildlife signifies tribal people. However, the older generations of the tribal communities have been hunting wild animals and clearing the woods in the hills. Regular practice of hunting and cutting trees for firewood have led to the present issue of global warming. As such, he appealed to the students to understand the importance of environment protection so that they can make the older generation understand the same.
The nation is not built by many. The changes are brought by few. If all of us sitting here have the desire, the will to bring some change for a better future, we can do it. Every child can go to the school and propagate. Let us not cut trees, let us plant more trees. Let us not kill wild animal. Let us try to preserve. So every one of us has a role to play.
As part of the second technical session of the seminar, Additional Chief Conservator of Forest, Dr. Lokho Puni presented papers on our responsibilities towards our environment for a better future, while Assistant Conservator of Forest, D. Jones spoke on importance of forest and wildfire protection. On the other hand, Project Scientist CC Cell Directorate of Environment, Apau Bunil, presented papers and slideshow on contextualizing biodiversity conservation, dilemma and prospect in tribal society. State Horticulture and Soil Conservation Minister T.A. Syam Kumar today stressed on the need to make organic farming more productive to help boost the state economy. Syam Kumar was distributing tractor and power tillers to farmers during a function held at the complex of Horticulture Department located at Sanjenthong, Imphal. He said the department has been taking up different programs for the benefit of the state in addition to various schemes sponsored by both the state and central governments being provided to them. Calling for hard work by farmers, the minister appealed for improving productivity of organic crops to help boost the state economy. Horticulture and Soil Conservation Principal Secretary J.C. Ramthanga, Director K. Kipgen and Mid-Mission Director N. Premananda attended the event.
Central government ki funding ki makada tongan ba scheme kaya Manipur ki kasin koya da amadi Manipur ki lomi sing da samdarakan da hena organic oiba pochi puthokna ba makal matheng ki project kaya ma pakhale masigi manung channa project te koi scheme si makada lomi si ngasi piri ba power tillers amadi tractor asina moi de support ka tawri basina koina khangi madi hena production hena puthokna hena thawai yaudana department hena hona jari ba praja ki khanjari ba Pandam mayam sing asi hena chobu mating pangtona Manipur ki tongan ba jaga da organic pochi puthokna amadi hen haksang phanaba hena semilon da phanaba hena lairiba akoina ngasi gi akoina sunom mayam hena sunom dana production puthokna da motang sti pam support to bani dana.
State Health Minister L. Jayantikumar today inaugurated a geriatric care unit at Thawal District Hospital. The minister said the BJP-led coalition government in Manipur has been giving special impetus to public health care system. The geriatric care unit has become a public property from today onwards, Jayantikumar said on the occasion. Imphal West District Election Officer DC Naurem Praveen Singh has made an appeal to the public to come and rectify any errors on information provided on their respective electoral roll during the 2-day drive starting from today at every polling stations of Imphal West for corrections of wrong details in the voters' electoral roll. In a press meet at the district court room in Lamphel, he said that the Lok Sabha election is likely to be held in March and Imphal West alone has a total of 3,60,600 voters. He added that all the activities related to the upcoming Lok Sabha election have been completed. We are planning to provide a model polling station in every constituency for smooth conduct of the election, Praveen added.
Measures during the elections, Maduso identified Topulore, Aduga pockets, natural segments, Impal West, vulnerable way. Identified Torre, Sigi, vulnerability, can you see Haying, Kennedy Loktorkanda, then election Naxilapada, Masi Hengalapia, another 100 PA, CM dynamic way Bukanoni. How do you as of now, when assess the Umatam, 16 pockets, natural segments, vulnerable way, and Madu. Identified Taure, Zitagi on Koi Madu, Madu Lokutum Tokpa, law and order point of view, then civil administration, Logum Tokpa, Taurang, Natraga activities, Madu Koisataba. Elector Masado, Aduna IC transgender Nian, Hiragamana, Lauto declared our epidemic Amada, or Commissioner Mimam Togudum. Aduna, one was at the Mine Tauraga, electoral Sangbasi Amakatani. 2 days, the minini subnai koi every polling station is a tariba Ming Yao the Bagambu Ming Sanaba, Adagi Ming the Kari Soiba, Labasingdu, Simdonaba, Adagi then Lahidraba, Adagi the Hongraba, Sigraba electors, Mayam the Ming do electoral Loctona Bugisi drives it. Sit over Sida, media through the media Kanguna, Prazamayam Sida, Sauba, Todang Lonabadu.
Imphal West Commando Bazaar Unit carried out cordon and search operations in and around Maharani Bridge and Jalan Provision under the jurisdiction of City Police Station early this morning. Altogether, 518 persons were verified with proper documents to support their identities. However, 36 individuals who did not possess proper documents were handed over to City Police for further verification. Parents and Guardians Council with Disability of Manipur organized a sit-in protest at Social Welfare Complex, Tagil today. They have demanded to fulfill the rights of children with disabilities. President of Parents and Guardians Council for Persons with Disability, Manipur Thangzam Sarat Kumar said that the state government has turned a deaf ear to their demands and warned that they will further intensify agitations if the government fails to take up any steps to fulfill their demands.
A special educator in a lady say they are trained educated person ni moising sibu tambina ba disability sing sibu adubo koi ga topa school sing jadi sigumba special educator si lai mate lady ma pham saida sarkar gi su pasayam sangdana akoina sagachari ba moti akoi gi government college sing high secondary school dagi part time moina oja thabak toriba sing do pasayam na government gi investment pisa sangdana lairiba special educator existing siga tie up tongnaraga moina takpi ragadi akoina 11 12 si yamna good quality laina pasayam sangdana siba upgrade to wiragadi moi gi right to education hairiba akoi gi khongthang adu fulfill togane na lojai.
The largest local daily newspaper, Shanghai Express, has organized a felicitation program for the successful players and coach participated in the 26th Junior Asian Track Cycling Championship, which took place in Jakarta last month. The reception program was held at Shanghai Continental Thangal Bazaar today. Speaking at the event, owner of Shanghai Express, Nishikanta Singh Sapam said players must play for love of sport and not for the sake of winning a medal. The ongoing session of Manipur Legislative Assembly that started from 20th of this month will conclude on March 4th instead of March 8th. The decision to change the date was taken during a business advisory meeting which was held right after yesterday's assembly sitting. And it was also decided at the meeting that a session will be held on March 2nd. The ongoing ceasework strike by teachers of SSA and Ramsa over their demands has entered its 19th day. As part of the protest, a large number of SSA and Ramsa teachers staged a sit-in demonstration at the office of the JET EO Kangpokpi today. They also shouted slogans against the government for its inability to fulfill their demands. In a very rare incident, a swarm of bees attacked many people at Yaranpat in Imphal East district this afternoon. 7 persons who got seriously injured during the bee attack are now undergoing treatment at Jennings Hospital. Let's take a short break once again.
lamjingba group na Manipur da lairiba assembly constituency humphudagi mathauda pukning changba public relationship executive post ki mioi amamam lagzagadori mahigi thak yamdrabada graduation oigedabani akupa marol gidama contact tobiro at 131944063 amukasu at 131944063 aikoi address lamjingba group Rims Road Imphal phone number at 131944063.
Musicians, singers, dancers, rappers, actors, comedians, any talent. The stage is waiting for you to showcase your hidden talent all over India through Mega Talent Show on Lamjingba Times of Manipur private satellite television channel, which is available at Tata Sky. Prizes: winner Rs 1 lakh, first runners-up Rs 80,000, second runners-up Rs 50,000, 7 consolation prizes. Audition on 30th, 31st March, 1st and 2nd April 2019. Last date of enrollment 15 March 2019. Forms available at Tom Office, Uripok and a college near you. Call 940-299-1938.
Manipur gi ahanba 24/7 cab service oriba lamjingba cab service na miyam gi seba da leizari apamba service khanbiu economy rate ₹15 per kilometer, standard rate ₹25 per kilometer, luxury rate ₹55 per kilometer. Manipur gi district singi maruaina Mau, Senapati, Ukhrul, Manipur gi mapal gi lamsing loinana luhongba madi atai thodok singi damakta akhanaba discount pizari. Hena kupamarol gi dama contact tobiro 1800-1027-959 amadi 8794613154. Ekhogi website www.lamjingbacap.com.
Welcome back. Kashmiri separatists and JKLF chief Yasin Malik was detained by the police late yesterday night. The cops apprehended him from his Maisuma residence and was taken to Kotibag police station. Malik's detention comes ahead of a crucial hearing on Article 35A in Supreme Court, which is likely to take place on Monday, February 25th. The article, incorporated into the Indian Constitution in 1954, grants special rights and privileges to the citizens of Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir government withdrew security cover of several separatists, including Malik, Syed Ali Shah Gilani, Sabir Shah and Salim Gilani, after the Pulwama terror attack, which claimed lives of 40 CRPF soldiers on February 14. The NSCN GPRN reformation has alleged of harassment by the 35th Assam Rifles, wherein its President Y. Wongtin Naga was intercepted and one armed cadre was arrested without any rhythm of reason yesterday at around 4:30 p.m. A press statement issued by MIP NSCN GPRN alleged that even after revealing his identity, the Assam Rifles, led by one commander, humiliated and dishonored the pleas of the president. It therefore questions such acts, which it cautioned would be detrimental towards peaceful solution between the Nagas and India. An avalanche has hit Jammu and Kashmir's Bandipora district today, trapping 5 people. A joint team of police and army launched a search and rescue operation, and all 5 persons trapped under the snow were rescued. Meanwhile, Delhiites woke up to a cold morning today as the mercury plunged by over 5 degrees and chilly winds swept the national capital on Friday. The city had recorded a minimum temperature of 16 degrees Celsius. The minimum settled at 10.5 degrees Celsius, a notch below the average today. The maximum temperature is expected to hover around 23 degrees Celsius according to the Met Department. In Ahmednagar, a 3-year-old boy was mauled to death by stray dogs in. The incident occurred yesterday morning when a pack of 5 dogs attacked Ayush Prajapati when he was playing near his house in Mangalgate area of the city. Prajapati, who was severely injured in the incident, was rescued by his parents and neighbors and rushed to the civil hospital. The Ahmednagar Municipal Corporation, however, the boy died when he was being shifted to the Sason Government Hospital in Pune at around 4 p.m. The AMC has announced an ex gratia of ₹1 lakh to the family of the deceased boy. A probe has been ordered into the growing menace of stray dogs in the city. The BJP state unit announced that the party would contest the Lok Sabha seat in Mizoram and also the assembly by-election yesterday. Mizoram has only one Lok Sabha seat. By-election to the Aizawl West I assembly seat is most likely to be held simultaneously with the parliamentary polls. State Unit President Professor John V. Luna took the decision during a press meet held yesterday. However, the names of the candidate for both the polls would be announced after the search committee, which will be constituted soon and make its recommendations. Former Chief Justice of Meghalaya High Court Umanath Singh was sworn in yesterday as the chairperson of Nagaland's first Lok Yukta. Governor P.B. Acharya administered the oath at a ceremony held at Raj Bhavan. Among those present in the ceremony were Chief Minister Naifurio, Leader of Opposition T.R. Jeling, Cabinet Ministers, legislatures and government officers. Justice Singh is the first Lok Yukta of Nagaland and will hold the office of the Lok Yukta of Nagaland for a term of 5 years or till he attains the age of 70. In Northeast India, many parts of Arunachal Pradesh and Assam have experienced isolated rain and thunder shower activities. These rains have been attributed to the cyclonic circulation persisting over Assam and adjoining Bangladesh region. This weather system is likely to intensify further. Therefore, during the 24 hours, we expect widespread light to moderate over Arunachal Pradesh and parts of East Assam. Meanwhile, mainly dry weather will prevail over the states of Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram and Tripura. However, after 24 hours, isolated activities may occur in parts of these states as well. Hills of Arunachal Pradesh may receive isolated snowfall activity and there are also chances of hailstorm over the plains of the states. Now let's have the top stories of today's newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. Chief Minister calls for collective efforts to check non-natives in electoral roll. Centre decides to give on hold powers of arrest given to Assam Rifles. Vigilance to probe supply of substandard pipes, says Chief Minister. New SP for Imphal West Police. The People's Chronicle. Centre puts on hold Assam Rifle empowerment plan. No need to panic, says Chief Minister. Many decry. Tangkhul Nagalon hits back at KNO's anti-Naga tirade. Chief Minister bosses NRC for resolving non-local issues. Nagas all set for global mass rally at Delhi. Lok Sabha poll last fight for Congress, says BJP. Imphal Free Press. 5 policemen involved in fake encounter go scot-free. Court rules that trial cannot happen for lack of prosecution sanction. Centre withdraws notification giving more powers to Assam Rifles. House passes 5 demands for grants of 876 crore 11 lakh 12,000 rupees. Global Naga mass rally to be held at Delhi. Assam Rifles empowerment only for suspects, not for civilians, says Chief Minister. The Morning Bell. Centre puts on hold sweeping powers to Assam Rifles in Northeast states. House passes 5 demands for grants of 876.11 crore rupees. 26 dead, 40 hospitalized in Assam holds tragedy. Chief Minister orders inquiry. UGC NET June 2019 schedule announced. District Election Officer Imphal West meets representatives of political parties. Manipur Mail. 3,966 youths applied for startup policy, says Chief Minister. Prabhu inaugurates aviation infra projects for Imphal Airport. Drug seized at Technopole. Nesho condemns Modi regarding report of granting special power to Assam Rifles.
Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top stories once again. Take up Prabis Chanam's case in Assembly by February 28 or face total shutdown, JAC wants government. Chief Minister Biren attends 412 complaints on Miyam Ginumit Hill Leaders Day. Imphal More Highway turned into lucrative road for drug traffickers. Lamjingba Group to launch air service in February 2020. And 25 abandoned children found sheltering at legal aid clinic at Nongbram near Mapitel Dam. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.